You know what's right behind me? Well, that's the Sunset Strip. You know what's right behind me over here? Altman Brothers, newest listing. Are you pumped to see it? I can't hear you. Come on, let's go check it out. So what's cool about this house, it's all about location. You know how we say in real estate, those famous 3 words, location, location, location? Well, this is walking distance to the Soho House, the Whiskey. You can see all the bands play. You got everything you need, Sunset Plaza, lounges, restaurants, bars, all right in walking distance. Oh, say hello to my little perfect tree. This reminds me of a Japanese tree. And in reality, I don't know if it is Japanese. This is an Acer palmentum good Japanese maple. Fucking knew it. It's Japanese. That's right. Josh Altman, real estate. Oh man, we're locked out. Hold on. Cut. I'll be right back, guys. Well, it's a good thing I'm an expert into getting into houses because that's what I do for a living. Why don't we just start at the really cool part about this house, which is the front door. So just give a wave and you're good to go. See that? That's how you unlock the front door. I love it. This house is super forward thinking when it comes to technology. Some of the cool stuff I will show you. But what I do love about this house is that it's done to the nines. You bring 2 things, your toothbrush and your clothes. That's it. You can close tomorrow on this house and you can have a party tomorrow night. This one's ready to go. So here we got 6-inch oak. You have different panels. I typically like 6 to 8 inch. I think once you go bigger, you better have a really big house. But in this house, I love the 6-inch. You know, size doesn't always count. 6-inch oak, good floors. Let's check it out. The indoor-outdoor flow on this property, they knocked it out of the park. Living room, indoor-outdoor. Dining room, indoor-outdoor. Kitchen, indoor-outdoor. Everywhere there's indoor-outdoor flows in this house. And the reason why it's so good and why it's so seamless, well, is because they spent big bucks on these Fleetwood doors where they actually did the pocket doors. So instead of having it where it doesn't open all the way, they went the extra mile, which is why you know you have a great house, and they made it completely hidden. They brought in the steel beam above, and right here, I mean, this is epic. This, for me, is what sells the house when I'm showing it. You can be in your kitchen, your friends are in the pool, your family is hanging out at the fire pit, you're in the living room, and it's all one extra space. Now on this house, that's important because the house is 4,700 square feet. But when you have that indoor-outdoor flow, that 4,700 square feet actually feels like 6,500 square feet. And that's a big difference. But you also have this ADU, this additional dwelling unit. You got the full bath behind. You can, plug in a little kitchenette in here, and you can get your bike on if you want. Oh yeah, this is good, especially during that quarantine. You got to get your exercise on. And 1, escrow, and 2, escrow, and 3, all cash, and 4, negotiate. Don't negotiate. I'm just kidding. Can I market that? Negotiate? Yeah, that's right. You know what that means? Don't bring your ego with you to negotiations. So come on in the kitchen over here. See this? I'm a good realtor. I'm gonna hide that. Watch this. Oh wait, where's the handle? Hey, you want a drink? Okay, I got you. We're good. See, there you go. It's open. It's one of those push refrigerators. They open up here. Come check it out. I'll show you. Boom. And as a realtor, I always look at little details throughout the house. Look at this vent. So in your house, you might have one of those ugly vents that everybody has. So these were custom made vents throughout, which I love because they're pretty. And I typically think that vents are pretty ugly. All right, so on this level, we got 3 stories. I like this, by the way, the partition, the glass that goes from the floor to the ceiling. But right over here, you got the master. Come on in, come check it out. One of the best parts about the master is the view. That's the addition residences. Douglas Elliman, us, Altman Brothers, we've sold out a lot of those residences. You see, so if you walk down this block right here, you got Soho House. Under Soho House, you got Boa, you got Sushi Roku, you got Sunset Plaza just to the left right here, Whiskey Go Go. I mean, you got everything right here. That's what you're paying for. It's really like just being in the mix. That's what people like. That's why they come out here, right? So you got this beautiful master. Come check out the bathroom. I love the dark stone that they used in here. The tile as well, I think is pretty seamless. I think it goes with the vibe of the house, especially with how they painted it outside. My phone is ringing off the hook and I don't shut it off because I still gotta work while I do this stuff, right? Great master bath. And then of course we got this great master closet as well. I like the way that this is lit. This inner lit part of the closet is really cool. It's a good look, especially with the modern houses. And it's really easy to do, but they got really high-end finishes in there. So come on down the hallway. Come on, come on, come on. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Here we go. Bedroom number 2. Look at that view. That view is about to start to get real big. And then we got bedroom number 3 over here as well. Another really good sized bedroom. And again, that view is major, but you guys want to see downstairs? This is what we like to call the entertainment area of this beautiful turnkey home. Lights, camera, action. I love this because we are downstairs, we are subterranean, but the way that the house was built, you actually have a nice indoor-outdoor flow. Even down here, you got a nice little hangout area. Again, being underground, so for me, price per square foot wise, which you typically get a little less downstairs, here you feel like the rest of the house. There's a couple different options for you. So this is wired for a theater. So you got a drop-down screen over there. You can put up a projector right here. The reason why that was not done yet was just for the fact that we didn't know how somebody wanted to set this up, especially during the time that we're in right now in quarantine. You know, is this gonna be an office? Is it gonna be a killer gym? Is it gonna be another bedroom? So we got potential movie theater. We got a potential poker room right here. Look at even the stagers. Come here. Oh, you see this? No, huh? That's my son, Ace Altman. Hey, Ace. They're like dominoes, but they're cards. Kind of feeling these. All right, you guys want to go see the coolest part? My favorite part of this house? Where do you get the best views? No, not the master. No, not the pool. The rooftop deck. We like to call that the penthouse level of this house. Let's go check out the rooftop deck. Come on. Come check this out. Yes! I love you, LA. This is one of the best views that you're gonna see up here. You got all the way to the ocean. I mean, can we talk about the size of this rooftop deck for a second? But look at that. The money shot. Downtown LA, DTLA right there. Crazy postcard view, crazy rooftop deck. This I would take to another level. If I own this house, I would put some turf up here. I'd probably bring an upstairs kitchen up here. And in fact, check this out from this roof. Come over here, Ben. Now you see that White House right up there? That White House is Altman Brothers' newest listing. We've actually been prepping that property for the last couple months, getting it ready. and we're gonna hit the market at $29,500,000. That's on Collingwood. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see that house, because I'm gonna shoot that in about 2 weeks. Can't wait to show you guys. That's it. 1222 Hilldale Ave. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. I'll see you guys at the next one. Let's go!